Just making a quick video showing you guys what has to happen to do this oil separator that I talked about in a previous video. The 2014 Audi S6 I'm working on here had the torn diaphragm for the oil separator. Well, it's a pretty big job. You have to pull this crossover pipe and the throttle bodies and the charge cooler and everything off the car, and on this there's not enough room to do it with everything left in place, so you have to take the core support and pull it out a few inches and take the front bumper off, and this is what you ultimately are getting to. This attached to the back of the charge cooler, this is your part that you're removing. You see there's the cooler, and you can't, with this in place you can't really see it, but it just attaches to the back of the whole charge cooler assembly. Diaphragm's under this piece of tin foil. So yeah, a lot of work to get here. It's if you're a DIYer and you feel like doing, if you do small jobs, this is probably not something you should be tackling. It's quite a bit of work, and there's a lot of things that could go wrong. So might be your best option would be to take this to a shop, or if you're feeling brave, you can do it on your own. But just wanted to show you kind of the full, how it looks when you're in there. So, all right, thanks for watching the videos. If this helps you at all, subscribe. Thanks.